A 2013 Dodge Journey. So this is a common problem. This T-union at some point gonna break. I'm gonna remove all three parts. All three hoses. Only place to get them is the dealership. But if you guys don't want to spend that much money, because you know dealer is expensive, you guys can go to Menards, and this is what you guys gonna have to buy. This is what is inside, and also only one is broken, but I'm gonna replace both right now since I'm here. This one on top is the same size than the one on the right. The other one is smaller. I think it's 5/8, but Menards doesn't have a 5/8. It jumps from 1/2 inch to 3/4. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna spray a little bit of soapy water to get it in. There you go. Not gonna be easy, but not impossible. And those copper pieces goes for like, I would say $7 each. Got this one, the other one. Okay, I have this assembly ready. I'm gonna put it to the side because I'm gonna replace the one too, and the other one is in the back. So if I install this one right now, it's gonna be on my way. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna remove the entire assembly. Then the one from the heater core. And now I'm gonna remove the smaller one. Okay. This is the other assembly. And this T-union is the one that broke on the other one. This one, I'm gonna have to break it. There you go. I'm gonna use the other one. It's exactly the same part number. This is the one that goes to the top. I'm gonna put the smaller one. He's in. So I'm gonna install this one first. I'm not gonna put the clamps yet, so I can move it if I have to. I'm gonna install this one first, this clamp. We've got an assembly ready. I'm gonna move to the other one.